Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make music or audio sound muffled on CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and as you can see that I have imported my video and my audio as well to this CapCut project. And if you want to make the music or audio sound muffled, we can tap on the audio. Then we're going to use the voice effect to make this audio sound muffled. So you can go to the voice changer right here, and you can click on voice filters, and you're going to select the final or the Lofi effect or filter. And before it, I'm going to play the audio to show you the original sound.
Mari belajar.
Okay, and I'm going to try final
Mari belajar
and
mengenal.
Lofi.
Mari belajar.
Okay, and I think final is better, so I'm going to select final.
Mari belajar mengenal.
And alright guys, that's how we can make our music or audio sound muffle on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.